In today's video, we're going to show you how to connect the JBL Quantum 350 headset to your phone. And yep, even though it's not Bluetooth, it is possible, so let's walk through it. First off, quick heads up, the JBL Quantum 350 doesn't support Bluetooth. It's meant to connect to your PC using a USB wireless dongle, so you can't just pair it with your phone like a regular Bluetooth headset. But we've got a simple workaround that can make it work. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Something that has a USB-A port on one end, that's where the dongle goes, and a USB-C plug on the other, which goes into your phone's charging port. Once you've got that, here's how to set it up. Plug the JBL dongle into the USB-A side of the adapter. Then plug the USB-C end into your phone. Give it a few seconds. If your phone supports USB audio input, it should automatically recognize the headset and start working. Now, this doesn't work with every phone. Some Android phones, like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, have been confirmed to work with this setup based on user reports. But depending on your phone's hardware and software, results can vary. And just to be super clear, since there's no Bluetooth in the Quantum 350, this wired workaround with the dongle and adapter is really the only way to connect it to your phone.